Tired of vacuuming, mopping, and dodging obstacles while cleaning? What if one smart device could do it all, hands-free? Stick around because I'm about to show you the top 5 robot vacuums of 2024 that will transform how you clean your home without lifting a finger. Number 1. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, the ultimate smart cleaner. If you want the best in robot vacuums, the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is it. With smart features and excellent cleaning performance, it even empties itself with a hands-free clean base. Its advanced navigation learns your home for efficient, customized cleaning. Pros: self-emptying bin. Zero effort on your part, just set it and forget it. Precision mapping. Learns and adapts to your home layout for the most efficient clean. Powerful suction handles everything from pet hair to the tiniest dust particles. Smart home integration. Works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Cons: pricey. You're paying for top-of-the-line tech, so it's on the expensive side. Bulky, clean base. The base takes up a bit of space in your home. In a nutshell, if you want the smartest, most convenient cleaning solution out there, the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is a no-brainer. Number 2. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, the all-in-one champ. This isn't just a vacuum. It vacuums, mops, and even cleans itself. Perfect for those who want spotless floors with zero effort. The S8 Pro Ultra also automatically lifts its mop when it detects carpets, so no worries about wet carpets. Pros: vacuum plus mop combo. Tackle all kinds of messes in one go. Self-cleaning mop. It washes its mop pads for you. Talk about lazy cleaning. Dual roller brush. Improves pickup of debris and reduces hair tangles. Great on carpets. Automatically lifts mop when it detects carpets to keep them dry. Cons: expensive. Again, with high-end features comes a high-end price tag. Navigation issues. Occasionally struggles with complex room layouts. If you want a robot vacuum that vacuums and mops with little effort, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a great choice. Number 3. Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni Best for edge cleaning. It's an advanced, fully automated cleaning solution. Its Omni Station takes care of self-emptying, 90-day capacity, mop washing with 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, refilling the water tank covers up to 4,300 square foot, and hot air drying to prevent odors. With 8,000 pascals suction and a 200 mm roller brush, it excels on hard floors and carpets. The 15 mm auto mop lifting ensures carpets stay dry, while AI-powered AIVI 3D 2.0 smartly avoids obstacles, even in low light. The dual laser LiDAR navigation delivers precise, comprehensive cleaning. Pros: fully automated Omni Station, self-empties, washes, refills, and dries. 8,000 pascals, suction, powerful for all floor types. AI obstacle avoidance, efficient navigation, even in dark areas. Dual laser LiDAR, accurate, thorough cleaning. Cons: high price. Premium features come at a cost. Bulky base takes up extra space. For those hard-to-reach corners and a mix of vacuuming and mopping, the Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni is a smart choice. Number 4. Dream X40 Ultra Best for deep cleaning. The Dream X40 Ultra is a powerful cleaning solution with 12,000 pascals suction and side reach technology to clean hard-to-reach areas like corners and under furniture. Its features like Omni Dirt Detection and Mop Extend RoboSwing ensure thorough cleaning, while the auto-lifting mop protects carpets by raising 10.5 mm to avoid moisture. With an auto-maintenance system, precise navigation, a 6400 mAh battery, and self-cleaning, it provides efficient, hands-free cleaning for any home. Pros: 12,000 pascals, powerful suction, tackles tough dirt effortlessly. Auto-lifting mop protects carpets from moisture damage. Omni Dirt Detection effectively removes stubborn dirt. Long-lasting 400 mAh battery covers large areas easily. Cons: high price. Premium features come with a higher cost. Bulky design takes up more space than compact models. If you want a smart, efficient robot vacuum with strong suction and advanced features, the Dream X40 Ultra is a great choice. Number 5. Dream L10S Pro. Best for versatile performance. The Dream L10S Pro delivers powerful, effortless cleaning with Mop Extend technology for thorough edge and corner cleaning. Its auto-maintenance system uses 136 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to clean and dry mops, minimizing manual effort. With 7,000 pascals suction, it easily handles various surfaces and tough debris, while the advanced dirt detection system ensures twice-over mopping for a spotless finish. The smart obstacle avoidance with 3D structured light navigates around 55 plus objects, making it a comprehensive home cleaning solution. Pros: 7,000 pascals, suction, strong for various surfaces and debris. Mop Extend technology effectively cleans edges and corners. Auto maintenance cleans and dries mops with 136 degrees Fahrenheit hot water. Smart obstacle avoidance avoids over 55 objects using 3D structured light. Cons: moderate price. Costs: more than basic models but offers strong features. Limited battery life. May require recharging for larger homes. If you're after a robot vacuum that won't break the bank but still gets the job done, the Dream L10S Pro is a fantastic option. Before you go, be sure to check out this video right here. YouTube has recommended this video to you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.